probably got 2 sprays in this bitch, but they burn it all out on the dyno. So we're gonna try to goddamn do a quick run just to see how it runs. Okay, baby, let's go.
Pistols to my mask, 3 killers with me, whiskey masses in the van. We gon' pull up like the ice cream truck, straight out the window like the ice cream truck. Rolling down your block, like rubber bands. Everybody's drunk, never had a like I'm cold, like your top of the stove. Well, he rolled me the phone. That boy, he know how it go. If these eyes ain't on the block, then we hopping out kicking doors. Yeah, I just bought a cake, nigga. I just bought a pump, and they right here in this van. We ain't got a fucking trunk. All I like was the band until I showed up with the stress, and then I took her to the next. Yeah, I can keep it clean, nigga. I can keep it running. My song up and with the dough. Like I heard somebody knock. Niggas hate me and my mans because we be getting bands. 40 in my pants, tell her it's time to dance. Boy, don't make me come find y'all. I be letting that iron off. Get shots when I'm fine off. Put brains on the side. Pull up like the ice cream truck, straight out the window like the ice cream truck. Rolling down your block, about to pop like rubber bands. Their bodies drop, them kids never had a chance. When I pulled up like the ice cream truck, straight out the window like the ice cream truck. Bitch, I think I'm Nino, mixed with Al Pacino, stacking chips like Pringles. I fall like Ocho Cinco, Iceman, they my lingo. My wrist look like some
these tires. These tires are a piece of shit. Bitch is going on flat again. Get up, get up. Get on that one. Tires going on flat. It's getting hard. It's done. I got about 3 minutes. That bitch gonna be out. I'm already can't turn it.
What's going down? God damn it. I ain't really got to tell y'all that it's more motherfucking race delays. You can see it and you can hear it. I mean, god damn it. We need a break, man. We need a motherfucking break from this weather. But it's supposed to clear up in the next few days. Oh shit, big ass lightning strike just then. But man, y'all do this for me. Do this for the asshole and all the Texas people, man. Keep us in y'all prayers, man. It's a lot of people in bad shape right now. My house is not in a flood area, but I don't know if you motherfuckers can see that, but my street is about to flood. So I can zoom this motherfucker in. But shit is bad around here, man. A lot of motherfuckers in bad shape, and a lot of people drowning, man, and losing their motherfucking lives with this water, man. This shit is crazy. We ain't had this much rain in years. And the roads can't take it, the lakes can't take it. Nothing can deal with this shit no more, man. This shit is overkill for us. As you can see, you know, shit, fuck trying to ride a motherfucking bike. It's more about shit, it's more about just trying to survive around this motherfucker at this point. But me personally, I'm in good shape. You know, I'm in a decent area that's up house. If you can tell, my house sit on top of a hill, so I'm alright. But it's a lot of people, man, in bad shape, man. So y'all pray for us. Pray for everybody in Texas right now, man. Pray this shit let up on us. Cause man, we out there bad right now. So yeah, more motherfucking list delays, more motherfucking rain. So ain't nothing else for me to do is go in here and lift some motherfucking weights and get on this treadmill and try to get my ass on it and get baby up and make me a big man breakfast or something around this motherfucker. But yeah, man, that's what we going through, man. But definitely, y'all pray for Texas, man, and hope this shit give us a break, and pray for all the people that lost their lives, make us a lot of people drowning around this motherfucker, and kids getting swept off and swept downstream and shit, man. So, uh, definitely. Prayers for Texas, man. Prayers for Texas. The asshole signing off.